So welcome sa day number 10 on getting up early, and I would like to share with you a one realization that I learned, no? And this is, I was able to protect my asset. Okay? So what does it mean? It means I was able to protect myself. Most people they underinvest to themselves. And yung sarili natin, yan yung biggest asset that we can use to contribute to other people, to create value. This is the biggest asset that we have para makapag-contribute, okay, and create value. And once we create value, no, it can be monetized, right? Ngayon, maraming tao ngayon is ang ginagawa ganito, hindi na nila binibigyan ng oras yung sarili nila, like tulog, like yung pagtulog na yan, hindi yan productive. Parang minsan ang ginagawa nila is sinasacrifice na nila yung tulog nila to do the activities, the operations, di ba? But hindi natin masisi kasi maybe nagmamadali, ganyan, or dapat may matapos. But again, pag tuloy-tuloy ganun kasi nangyayari, no, na nako-compromise na yung tulog natin. Tulog mo, okay? Hindi mo na naalagaan yung biggest asset mo. Darating yung time na papalian. Pag pumalya na yan, hindi mo na magagamit na maayos. Hindi mo magagawa yung normal mong ginagawa. So, it is very important to protect your asset also, which is your body and your mind. Kasi pag hindi mo na-protect yung dalawang yan, mas may matatagalan ka, no, na ma-achieve yung gusto mo ma-achieve. Kasi for some reason, people think having a good sleep is unproductive. But little did they know na it is the core or the key to have a peak performance. Ibig sabihin, pag meron kang good rest, meron kang enough rest and na pahinga mo yung utak mo, meron kang energy na magagamit for you to bring your best performance that day. And you will be able to finish the task that you have to do. And again, you have to protect your asset, or else yung asset na yan na nag-iisa can be thrown away, okay, or mawala. And that's the worst thing that could happen before me the Lord.